All right. So let me share my screen. All right. So you already know how it works. Are you watching?
Hmm.
Okay. So I want you to also, like, if you can, or if it's easy, to go to your trading view and you need to add another thing to your chart.
All right.
Like another,
I'm already there. I
okay.
already have it open.
You need to add MNQZ to your list as well. Okay.
MNQZ. Okay. Yeah, I remember talking about that a little bit in the
Okay. So listen.
what's it called? NQZ micro min. Okay. Yeah.
This micros will be how you fine tune manage your risk. Okay. So, um, if I go on micros right here, oops, right? Um, let's say, so you know how on NQ, right? We'll just stick with 20 points for our example. 20 points on NQ is $400, right?
Yeah.
So micros, so that means NQ is $20 per point, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Micros are $2 per point
What's the fun in that?
because
I'm
you
just.
can
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
because you can more properly manage your risk, Jay. Pay attention, Jay. We're talking about the money, Jay. Now listen. So basically 10 micros would be the equivalent to one mini.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. So
Yep.
on some of my accounts that I have a big buffer in, I trade the minis, but I have the copy trade set up. So on my smaller accounts or my newer accounts, it executes micros. So I'm risking half as much as I am on my bigger accounts, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So when we first start you out, I think when you're copy trading all your evals,
Yeah.
we'll probably just have you do the same risk that I'm using on my evals, which is 5 micros per trade. So 5 micros, 25 points. So I'm risking $250 per trade.
So I would be trading on this chart instead of the other chart.
Yeah. So you would be executing on this chart, but don't watch this chart to chart on. Always watch NQ to chart on, if that makes
Okay.
sense. So like
But
if we're
I can still execute those trades though while being on the NQ chart.
yeah, you can. So see how I have the buy sell buttons right here?
Yeah.
Um here wait, let me just log in. It's not going to let me cuz the market's closed, but um you could go to this thing right here and choose the split screen if you want, right?
Yeah.
And have the micros be right here, right? So let's say we're using 5. So you could be watching this, right? And then if
Yep.
you have the dual screen set up like this,
Yeah.
all you have to do is anywhere on your chart do alt click and it'll bring up your other chart.
Okay.
Did that work for you?
Hold on. I'm bouncing back and forth because I'm on the one monitor.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh,
So you'd have to change this first, right? Your layout
yeah.
setup to the side by side.
Okay. So I don't know how to even exit out of the second one when I have it open.
What's up?
If that even, I don't even know how to like close the like second chart to even like check if that works for me.
Here, wait, let me see.
This computer being so stupid. Like how do I like how do I just have the one then? Do I just gotta I should probably just go back to this?
Like this? How do you just make the one?
No, I figured I just gotta.
You got it?
Is there like is there a hotkey for that?
To switch them to go back and forth.
Like so, like right now I'm on just the one chart, but I want to go to having the two charts open. Oh,
Yeah.
you said alt. That's
Yeah.
the alt
Alt
click.
Yeah. Alt click. And
Nothing happened.
it should do this. Well, did you change your layout in the upper right first? I wish I could see
Yeah, I
your
had it.
screen. I could help more.
Why is it not showing? I'm streaming.
Okay, yeah. So it's got the 2, right? So you would just
Right.
anywhere click alt click. Yeah.
Oh. I thought I was
So-
having to change back and forth up here.
Yeah, no. So you can leave that how it is and bounce back and forth like that. So
Oh,
yeah.
and then okay, whatever one I alt click. Oh.
Yeah, it'll switch to that chart. Okay.
Okay. So like I'll be following along on here,
Right.
and then when I'm ready to execute a trade, I would just do it on this side.
Correct. And
it would be the same exact like, all right, we're taking the 1 minute short, so I'm on
Right.
1 minute, hit sell, and it goes. Okay.
and you'll see it just on that one chart.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So that was pretty much it. I just wanted to clarify that because trading NQs, you can get wrecked really, really fast. And it's just better that we focus on getting your evals passed first.
Like get evals passed and then get like a probably okay buffer on there.
Get evals passed, get you a little more comfortable, and then we can start adding more size. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I
But
gotcha.
I just don't want anything to happen to those accounts like when it doesn't need to, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I hear you.
Because like I'm risking $500 per trade on my big accounts, so that's like a quarter of your total drawdown. You know what I'm saying? One trade was a quarter.
I hope you know that I am fully ready and accepting of the fact that someday it will happen, and I will have to drop another $500 on accounts. I'm not.
Yeah, it will
about it,
but.
But obviously, if I can avoid it, like, you know, the longer I can avoid it for, the better. But
yeah,
or doing something stupid on it.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, the way we perform around here is low key probably good enough to not worry about it. But I just have to do my due diligence so that you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I would feel bad if I never told you what it was, bro, because I didn't know what micros were for the first like 6 months of my trading, and it was like kind of mind blowing. I was like, one day I was like, man, I wish I could just like risk less. So I was like, you can, you just use micros. I'm like, what's a micro? So
I almost caught this one in a good spot, and I could have got out of it at a good spot.
But okay, that's all I wanted to go over.
Just answer this one thing.
What?
You're looking at this like, why the fuck did you take that, aren't you?
No, that looks like what we took, isn't it?
No.
Wait,
That's one of my random.
So you just sold up here. You sold at my take profit?
I sold here.
I mean, I guess that's probably smart.
And then right there, is where I closed it.
So what you're saying is when I longed and got out, you went the other way.
That's exactly what I did. Actually, now that I remember it, I think that's exactly what I did.
I mean, hey, man. There you go. Bro's trying to fade me already. That's crazy. Dude, that was such a good exit, bro. Like, I got out at 41, I think. Or wait. I got out at 49 right here. No, 59. And it went up to 61 and then reversed all the way back down. So that was like the best exit ever.
Yeah.
So hyped. But all right, I can't do any more charts this week. I just wanted to go over that because it was on my mind.